Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I transformed these white canvas sneakers into these adorable leopard print ones. I found this picture on Pinterest and I thought I could do it using some coffee and Sharpie. So I'm going to show you how. You're going to get started by taping off all the parts that you don't want stained. So I only want to stain the canvas portion of my shoes just because they were so nice and white when I first bought them, and now they're impossible to clean. As you can see, they've got random stains all around them, but they're just so comfortable and I really wanted to keep them, and so I thought this would be a good way to kind of upcycle my sneakers so that I could still wear them and they just didn't look plain dirty. So I've taped off the bottom because I want to keep that part white and I want to keep the laces white as well. So I'm just removing the laces and I'm going to go soak them in some bleach. Just a solution of water and bleach in my sink, and I'm going to leave them in there overnight and hopefully they become nice and white. I've also covered up the keds logo on the tongue because I want to keep that white as well. And there's one more spot along the side that I ended up covering up as well. It was just another small keds logo. So once you're done all of that, you are going to go ahead and brew some coffee, dip them in, and let them dry overnight. This is how mine turned out. These are the dried version, and I think they look not amazing, I'm not gonna lie. When I saw them the next morning, they just looked like an even dirtier version of the shoes that I started with. But I promise you by the end of this video, they are going to look amazing. So now that they're dry, I really wanted to add some sort of dimension to them. So in a cup, I took a tea bag and a little bit of hot water, and I kind of brewed a very, very dark black tea. And then using a paintbrush, I simply put spots of this tea all over my shoe to kind of create a leopard print or cheetah print effect. I basically went all around and just covered the shoes with these spots. I tried to make them different shapes, different sizes, just to make it really look like a natural leopard print. When they started drying, I started just going over the same spots again, just to make them a little bit darker. Next, after those spots are dry, you want to take a black permanent marker, so a Sharpie or any other brand permanent marker, and you're going to go around the splotches that you made in C shapes. So notice I'm not drawing an entire circle around these splotches, I'm just doing C's on either side, and this is how they turned out. I did big ones and small ones, and I think they look great. Here's the final look with the white laces in. I just paired them with a pair of crop jeans, and I think they turned out exactly like the photo that I found on Pinterest. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys tried this DIY, please tag me or leave a comment below and let me know how yours turned out. If you haven't subscribed to my channel and you want to see more videos like this, then please hit that subscribe button and ring the bell notification so you get notified when I upload a new video. Also, if you just want to say hi, please leave a comment down below. I am here to build a community on YouTube, and I would love to get to know all of you. I will see you in the next one. Bye!